In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Excel as the default application in Windows 11. This might seem like a daunting task if you're unfamiliar with the process, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By making Excel your default app, you ensure that all your spreadsheets open seamlessly, making your workflow more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your computer's settings. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. Alternatively, for those who prefer to navigate with the mouse, you can click the Start button, usually found at the bottom left of your screen, and then select the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. It's pretty straightforward, and once you're there, you'll have access to a myriad of options to customize your Windows experience. Once you've got the Settings window open, take a glance at the left sidebar. Here you should see a category labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This section of the settings menu is where you manage all your application preferences. After you've clicked Apps, you'll notice another option, Default Apps. Select this and it will bring you to a page where you can specify which applications you want to use for different activities. Now scroll through the list until you find Excel. Depending on how many applications you've installed, it might take a moment, but it'll be worth it. Once you've located Excel, click on it. This action will allow you to see all the various file types with which Excel can be associated. Here's the important part. You need to click on the file extension you want to change so that Excel opens it by default. For example, if you often work with comma-separated values, you'll want to change the .csv extension, click on it, and then you'll see an option that says Set Default. Select this, and you've successfully set Excel as the default app for that file type. But don't stop there. To ensure a consistent and smooth experience, it's vital to repeat this process for other common Excel file types. File types like .xla and .xlsx are frequently used in spreadsheets, so go ahead and set Excel as the default application for those as well. By doing this, you ensure that all your spreadsheets open correctly with Excel, eliminating those pesky interruptions in your workflow. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now made Excel your go-to app for all your spreadsheet needs on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and happy computing.